What if you sell your company, but later finds out you don't actually own the brand name anymore, or worse, never transferred it properly? This exact mistake has delayed acquisition, causing legal battles and cost business months of damage control. A Delhi-based brand once faced this issue after an acquisition. The trademark was never legally transferred. Why? Because trademark right doesn't automatically change hands. That's where trademark assignment became critical. Hi, I'm Kshitij from Diligence Certification, and today I will explain what trademark assignment is and why it matters. What is trademark assignment? A trademark assignment is a legal transfer of trademark ownership from one party to another. It can be applied to registered or unregistered trademark, and it may transfer with or without goodwill, depending on the agreement. Types of trademark assignment. There are 4 types of trademark assignment: complete assignment, all rights transferred; partial assignment, limited to specific goods or services; assignment with goodwill, brand name and reputation included; assignment without goodwill, trademark used for different goods and or marketing. Benefits of trademark assignment. Trademark assignments helps you monetize your brand value, gain and establish market presence, protect intellectual property legally, avoid ownership disputes, expand into new market fast. For buyers, it saves years of brand effort. For seller, it converts goodwill into real value. Process and documents. The process involves drafting a trademark assignment agreement, filling form TMP with required documents, registrar review and approval, official transfer recorded in the trademark register. At Diligence Certification, we manage trademark assignment end to end, from drafting and filing to registry approval, ensuring fast and compliant and dispute-free transfers.